Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. Those of you who know me know I love chicken, but I also love something colorful with a pop to it, and this strawberry balsamic reduced chicken just does everything. You're gonna love it. Let me walk you through it, so let's get started. Okay, to kick things off here guys, what I've got are a couple of good sized chicken breasts. And these are boneless, skinless, nice and easy to work with. About half a kilo. And I'm going to place these in a Ziploc bag. Now I've got a full cup of my all-time favorite vinegar, Balsamic. I'm going to divide this in half and I'm going to pour half a cup over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and seal this up. And put it in the fridge and marinate it for about 10 minutes. You can go up to 5 hours, but 10 minutes is okay right now. After about 10 minutes in the fridge, I'm just going to remove them and put them inside of a baking dish. Pour the remaining balsamic vinegar over the top. Season it generously with some salt. And of course my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. And we're going to place this into a 400 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 30 minutes, just until it's cooked through and the chicken's no longer pink. In the meantime, I'm going to take the remaining vinegar and pour it into a saucepan over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Okay, after a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And we're going to let this simmer for a few minutes. Once it's simmered for I'd say about 10 minutes, I'm going to turn off the heat, and it's reduced by about half, and just set it aside. Okay, now we're going to make our caprese topping by combining about 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese, a pint of fresh strawberries, and about 1/4 cup of fresh basil, fresh from the garden. Now we're going to go ahead and gently mix this up. Doesn't this look refreshing and good? Now we're going to take our caprese topping and lay it over top of the chicken. Oh boy, this looks good. Now it's time to some of that wonderful reduced balsamic over the top. You don't want too much. Doesn't this look good? Now you're going to have a bit of caprese topping left over, but that's fine. You can use that for just about anything. And there you have it guys, our strawberry balsamic reduced chicken. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. You know guys, who would have thought that strawberry goes so well with chicken? So refreshing. The pop of the strawberry, the chicken is juicy, wonderfully done. The sauce, just so good. You got to make this, and it's easy to make.
For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching and subbing, and see you next time.